What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the homestead. We figured today we're gonna start milling some boards again since we got the concrete poured. We got the mill mounted.
Yep, we want to kind of hit it hard. We have a lot of logs that we need to mill, turn into, usable boards.
Yeah, so if you're new to the channel, my name is Mike.
And I'm Liz.
She's my fiance. God, I don't know why I said that. I said that last time too.
And she's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Just say, so let's do this.
All right, so let's do this. All right, babe, we got some cool stickers. What do you think? Laid Back Living on YouTube. You guys can find these stickers on our website, www.laidbackliving.life. Go on and order you some. I think I'm going to stick this one on the sawmill. I'll put a link down below for the website in our description, so you guys can just go click on the link.
Wow, that's level.
That's good.
That's level though. That's good.
Maybe your eyes are crooked.
Maybe my eyes are crooked. One of them's going bad, I know.
About to be like Mr. Jed.
Is it the same side? It is the same side. 4 7/16. 4 7/16.
Okay.
Say it's good. Doesn't look like it, but tape don't lie, right? So today or at least we're gonna start out with milling this telephone pole that the power company actually took down. We're gonna build a cabin up at the top of the mountain, and we need like posts, and these are cedar treated posts, which is like
Exactly
the best of both worlds. Yeah, so that's awesome. So we're gonna mill these to like the biggest dimension possible, I think, and yeah, go from there.
That's it.
So grab that. Let's check this one.
Okay.
What else is in it? So I just guessed like the waist. See how that isn't quite perfect there? But that doesn't matter because it's rough cut.
Where did this thing come from?
Backside of the property.
Oh yeah, if it's dry, we should.
I think it's dry.
We need to get to sanding and
What's
sanding.
gonna be wet is the shit that was laying on the ground.
Yeah.
9'2". Is that hooked on the end there?
All right, guys. So day 2 of milling. Yesterday was first day. We cut a bunch of posts, and today we are moving on. We have this nice big piece of lodgepole pine. We have to cut it to 9 feet so it will fit on our mill, and we're making some more interior boards, right?
Yeah,
for our
we're
walls.
gonna cut shiplap out of it.
Shiplap.
Yeah, so like Liz said, we got to cut it down shorter. These are 12-foot chunks that we had brought out, but we haven't extended like the overall length of the mill yet. As you can see behind us, like we have all that concrete to extend it, but we just haven't done that. Hey,
Jed, stop.
that's rude.
Don't
So yeah,
stress.
sorry, I just like swung my hand into you.
Look at-
But yeah, we're gonna cut this and start doing it.
Yeah, like you said, Mike pulled this from the backside of the mountain, and we think it's pretty dry.
Should be
So,
dry.
Should be pretty dry. So we like that, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
we'll see.
Let's do it.
Man, that side's like really flat.
Pretty flat.
Smooth. It's amazing. Let's see what that does. I don't want to take too much.
Alright guys, check out how, whoa! Alright guys, check out how beautiful these boards are. I kind of wiped them off. We have them here. This is where they're going to stay to dry. They have a beautiful, beautiful color going for them. I'll show you. These are going to look real good once we get them all sanded or planed and then stained up and turned into shiplap. It's going to be gorgeous.
The board is bowed as I'm cutting it, or it's bowing as I'm cutting it. So that's kind of making it a little funky, I think. One side's gonna be thicker, I think, than the other. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know if it's a good move. I'm gonna flip it over and see if that helps at all.
Big ol'
So that in, man.
Where's
what?
the tape?
Well,
Measure it?
yeah, let's measure it. Oh, this has a big nasty cut in it that we have to get out anyway. Okay.
How does it not make you nervous to do that so fast?
So like realistically, a boot wouldn't save you. I mean, a skosh more probably. That thing's gonna rip right through anything. Think of how fast it's gonna do that.
Yeah.
That big stick. Little lunch break. Whoa, it's a bee.
Yeah.
You come back down and it starts raining.
Right as we get back down here.
Yep. But
Rain is a good thing. So
yeah, we'll take it.
we're gonna wait it out for a few minutes here in the woodshed.
Yes.
All right, we're cutting up this short little guy. This is just the end of that 9 foot 2 inch section that we cut earlier. We're gonna cut up the rest of this.
So we have, what, 2/3 of a full lodgepole pine cut up right now.
Absolutely beautiful wood.
Oh man, it is gorgeous. Some of it's like white, some of it's orange.
Some of it's black.
Jed's hitting the camera, but
He doesn't know where
he doesn't mind.
No.
Everything's working out super good too, like as far as the concrete, like our cuts are straight.
Yep. It's nice to have the cement there just to be able to work on. You're not working in the grass.
Right, yeah.
So that's been kind of a game changer.
As you can see behind us, we kind of have a little makeshift stack station going on, just working with what we got. So we got a lot of wood. This is awesome.
We need to pile it up.
Yeah.
For sure.
We appreciate you guys watching this video, and if you haven't already, it helps us if you like and subscribe down below.
Yep. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
Bye.